Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. Simple and easy. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the three straight lines, okay? Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and then there's a special section, privacy checkup. And then you want to look at the tools and resources, which the first option is privacy checkup. You click on privacy checkup and there you have it. Who can see what you share? When you click on the first option, who can see what you share, here you will find all the important steps, all the type of information that is currently available for the public. And now you can turn this information either to be available only for you, or for your friends, or for friends of your friends. Or information could remain publicly available for everyone. Again, very, very important. As you can see over here, you will be able to customize the actual public profile information, the posts, the stories, your audience, who is tagging you, who is seeing who is tagging you, what type of content you're tagged on, and the most important part is, of course, the blockings, who you're blocking, who is currently blocked, right? All this information could simply remain private, considering that on your Facebook bio, people usually put where they study, where they graduate, when they have a birthday, their email accounts, right? Their websites. You have a lot of relatives. I know a lot of people include their relatives on their Facebook bio. So this is why you want to make sure that you go through this menu, you see what is currently inputted, because a lot of people have Facebook accounts 10, 15 years already, okay? So they put a lot of information in the early days of Facebook, and now, in this very, very dangerous world with leaks of data, of information, you want to make sure that everything is updated, everything is hidden, what's supposed to be hidden. And of course, always be aware of what kind of information is online for you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.